Welcome to IP Service. Learn IT tips and troubleshooting. Today I am showing how to check Windows version in laptop and PC, Windows 10 and 11 computer. So first of all, we are going to click Windows button, then click Settings, then Update and Security. Hey, look, right side of the bar, OS build info. Then scroll down. We are looking Windows specification. We are saying edition Windows 10 Pro version 22H2 and install date, OS build, experience, Windows feature experience pack. We are looking Windows version 22H2. Then I close. Thank you for watching IP service.